Welcome to the Slop Farm. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to remove a Volkswagen Jetta battery. Before starting, prioritize your safety by wearing appropriate gear like safety glasses and gloves. Make sure your vehicle is completely off and the parking brake is firmly set. Then, locate your Jetta's battery. It is usually under the hood, but some models might have it in the trunk. Taking these initial steps ensures a safe and smooth process. Now, let's disconnect the negative terminal first. Using a 10mm wrench, carefully loosen the nut on the negative battery terminal. Once it's loose enough, gently remove the negative cable from the battery post. It is crucial to ensure this disconnected cable does not accidentally touch any metal components of your car, preventing any short circuits or sparks. This is a vital safety step. Next, we will disconnect the positive terminal. You will typically find the positive terminal covered by a red protective cap. Use your 10mm wrench to loosen the nut on this terminal. Once loosened, carefully remove the positive cable from the battery post. Just like with the negative cable, make sure this positive cable does not come into contact with any other metal parts of the vehicle or the battery itself. Safety is paramount. Finally, it is time to remove the battery. First, unfasten any hold-down clamps or straps that secure the battery in its tray. These vary by model but are usually straightforward to release. With the battery now free, carefully lift it out of the tray. Remember, car batteries are heavy, often weighing around 30 to 40 pounds, so lift with your legs. Inspect the battery tray for corrosion and clean it thoroughly before installing a new battery.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.